Here's the app called PicWish AI Photo Editor. So yeah, it's one of the easiest AI photo editing software apps. Remove background and blur photo to make your product stand out. 100% automatic, super easy to use. PicWish AI frees designers and merchants from repetitive tasks and accelerates the process of designing or selling products on e-commerce platforms. So yeah, there are a bunch of apps in this category. This is just one of the alternatives. But these apps becoming much better and better. Like, for example, imagine you own some kind of Shopify store, you are selling some items, and obviously you need a lot of good graphics, either for your Instagram or just for pictures in the in your store. Then before all these apps, you either needed to hire a designer or you needed to dive into Photoshop and all of that. Right now, these apps really can do amazing job without any knowledge whatsoever. And yeah, like you can just do cut out of the photo. So anyways, let's just take a photo of the pencil. I'll just try to see if that kind of can work. So here's just like pencil. It's not like the best background, but then for example, I just select this. Then it's processing. It doesn't even ask me which object I want to cut out, and then done. Wow. Oh, failed. Why failed? It was actually quite good, I think. So yeah, on the second attempt it's kind of working, and then you can add different backgrounds if you wanna just drag it like that. So yeah, pretty cool. As you can see, it's automatically identified the object I want to cut out. I didn't need to tell this app even like what objects I want to cut out and stuff like that. So yeah, quite impressive, to be honest. So that's that. Then you can resize if you want. You can share it instantly to Etsy, Poshmark, eBay. And then if you want to save it, unfortunately, you can save it for free. But then if you want to remove the logo, you need to upgrade. And these are great options. There is some promotion option for $60 per year, which is not that bad. Not that cheap either. But yeah, I hope that this app would have some kind of lifetime deal. But yeah, this is what you can do, and this is just one of the filters. You can also do a retouch. You can fix blur, edit photos, batch removals, ID photos. I don't know what that is. So like ID. And then it can kind of generate a passport photo for you. So this is also quite cool, how you can generate ID photos in the app. It can be quite handy because sometimes there are like very strict requirements for passport photos. So you can try to use this app, but of course then you will need to remove the watermark. Anyhow, so that's what it is.